Every soul on this earth has an expiry date. Don't get too attached, nothing here was made to stay. On average you'll get 70 years if you're even lucky, and we are not even promised to reach that. Trust me, so why are you running like this world is forever? Chasing things that vanish like a change in the weather. You came into this world with nothing in your hand, and nothing leaves with you when you return to the sand. No king has ever taken his crown to the grave.
None.
Rich man carried his billions beyond the grave.
None.
Powerful man took his empire when he left. They all departed with nothing, just their final breath. We are just passing by. This is not our home. Every throne ever built has been left all alone. 70 years, that is all. Maybe less, maybe more. Don't get attached to a world you were never made for. Just passing by, just passing by.
This man.
Don't let this world blind you with its glitter
Vanity.
and lies.